Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education. Today we'll be covering chapter number 10 from English, that is a wall magazine for your class. So the chapter is basically about how a class came up with an idea to prepare a wall magazine for the class, and everyone was so impressed with that slowly the entire school decided to do the same, and it was a fun with learning. So students of class 6, they bubbled with enthusiasm all the time, but be it sports, hobbies or studies. And this year they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class. So this is what class 6 they did. So here we'll be going through how the class managed to come up with the idea and how they brought it to life. First, the students and class teacher of 6th day brought several children magazines and pages of children sections in periodicals and newspapers to the classroom. So first, they gathered ideas from various pages of magazines, periodicals and newspapers and collected them in the classroom. Magazines, lot of magazines come related to studies, fashion and economics and lot of every subject. Newspapers also give us a lot of knowledge. Periodicals are magazines or issues that come up after a fixed period of time, like after a week or after a month or after 6 months or yearly, that depends. Okay, so that is periodicals. They studied the contents to see what all was included in the magazines, and there was tremendous varieties. So they all studied the contents to gather ideas for their magazine. So they gathered from the newspapers, periodicals, magazines that they collected, and they got a tremendous variety from stories to recipes. They gathered it all, be it puzzles, poems, riddles, craft ideas, informative articles, everything. There were also columns about students' achievements, doubts, and problems. These columns were run with the help of teachers or parents. So they also put up a column which was related to students, their achievements, their doubts, and that was taken care of by teachers or parents, because it was only them who can solve their problems. After studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose sections for their own magazine. It was decided that there would be at least 4 issues of the magazine. There would be a separate team for each issue. So, after discussing the content of the magazine or what all matter they are going to put into their magazines, they divided the class into 4 sections, and each section had their separate work and had to work as a team. The sections were like, a section was of an editor, sub-editors, illustrators and writer type the issues in beautiful letters. Then anyone in the class could contribute or send their own, apart from the team, that core team that was nominated. The class was free to share their own ideas. The editors would select the articles to be included and the decision would be final. So thus there would be 4 different teams and they would be working on 4 different issues. The columns were planned with the help of class teacher. So the class teacher was the head of the project, and she managed everything under her guidance. Apart from editorial teams, more groups made to run columns like craft ideas, recipes, I need help, science corner, etc. And it was the job of these groups to collect material for their respective columns. So as we read earlier, that the class was divided into several teams. So one was the editorial, and the rest of them had their own columns, responsibility for separate columns, and their work was to collect ideas from other classmates and gather ideas on their own and edit it and decide what to include and what not to include. With the teacher's help, prominent place was fixed to display the magazine in the classroom, and a long discussion was held to choose good name for the magazine. So they also gave a name for the magazine. Then here we go. Here was the in there. There was a page related to jokes. Then there was a page related to vocabulary also. Then science corner, a page named science corner that had facts related to science. Then this was the I need help corner, where the students were free to place their queries and they would be answered by the parents and the teachers. So lyrics were many, and so they made their own magazine wall. And similarly, the idea was acknowledged by the others also, and others got inspired and also made their own wall magazines. You people can also try this for your class. It's a fun activity, and plus you'll get to learn a lot.